Today I'm going to be withdrawing $110 from MiniPay account down to my local bank account. And as of today, if I am going to be withdrawing $110 from MiniPay platform down to my local bank account, considering today's rates, that should be over 151,000 naira. Yes, so if you want to watch me take you step by step on how to withdraw this amount of money, then relax, I'm going to get that done in today's video. But before doing that, I want to tell you guys what research said. Research say that 90% of you that's always watching my video don't used to like, and I don't know what I do now. I beg. So I want you to prove the research wrong by clicking on that like button. It's not going to take extra data from you to get that done. Please click the like button and use the same opportunity to join this family by clicking on that subscription button. Turn on the bell notification is very, very important after subscribing. Now, I believe you've clicked the like button and I believe you've joined the family by clicking on the subscription button. Oh yeah, let's get straight into the video. Now, to get started with the MiniPay platform, all you have to do is very simple. Just visit your Google Play Store or visit your App Store, search for MiniPay platform, get it downloaded, go through the registration process. It's very simple to get done, and of course once you are done with the registration, this is the interface you are going to see. But if you don't want to pass through the going to Apple Store or Google Play Store, just use the link I'll be leaving in the video description or in the comment section. Click on it, it will take you straight to registration. Go ahead, do the registration, and of course this is also the interface you are going to see. And of course they are going to give you a bonus for registering with my link. Yes, you're welcome. So this video is just to show you how I'm able to withdraw $110 from a MiniPay platform down to my local bank account, right? So let's proceed. So once you see my dashboard, if you look at my dashboard, you're going to see that I have $147.38. okay, so I'm going to change this into my local currency, so I'll see how much this amount is when it comes to my local currency. Let's go, guys. So when you turn it to my local currency, you're going to see that that is equivalent to $201,920 naira. Sorry. So what we're going to do is to switch it over to USDT and proceed with the withdrawal. So let's proceed, guys. So I've switched over to USDT, and what I'm going to do next is to click over here that says withdraw. Okay, so let's click on withdraw, guys. So I've clicked on withdraw, and this is the interface you're going to see. Now we have two different ways you can withdraw. The first one is saying NGN, the second one is saying exchange. Now the first one that is saying NGN means that if we use that particular option, we are going to get our money down to our local bank account. Okay, but if you decide to use the second one, that means you don't want the money to come to your local bank account. You want it to go to your crypto wallet. It could be your KuCoin, it could be your Binance, it could be your Trust wallet, right? Yes, that is where you want the money that you are withdrawing to go into. So either one you want to use, beautiful. But in today's video, I am going to be using the first one because I will be receiving this money into my local bank account. Yeah, okay, let's proceed, guys. If you have gotten to this point, do me a favor, click the like button in exchange of the value you are getting in today's video. And I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Oh yeah, let's go there, guys. Now I've clicked on the NGN, so what I'm going to do next is to click over here because that is where I have enough money for withdrawal. So let's go, guys. So I've clicked on it. What I'm going to do next is to click over here or to type inside this box the amount I want to withdraw. So how much are we going to be withdrawing again? $110, right? You are right. So let's type in $110 into that box and let's proceed, guys. So I've typed in $110 there. What I'm going to do next is to click here that says continue. Oh yeah, let's go, guys. So I've clicked on continue, and this is just like overview of my transaction. They are saying that I'm going to be getting 151,735 naira, and as of today that I'm making this video, $1 is equivalent to 1,379 naira. So we are cool. What we're going to do next is to click here that says continue. Oh yeah, let's click on continue. So I've clicked on continue. What they're asking me to do is to select the bank account that I want the money to go into. So mind you, I've linked two of my local bank account to this platform, right? But if you're yet to link your local bank account into this platform, this is also an avenue or opportunity for you to link, and I'm going to show you how to do that in few seconds. So let's click on add NGN recipient. So I've clicked on that. What I'm going to do is to select any of my accounts, right? But if you're yet to link, what you are going to do is to click over here that says add recipients. So once you click on add recipients, just follow the process. Is user friendly, right? Yes, I no go lie for you. So what I'm going to do is just to select one of my account that I want the money to go into. So I'm going to select OPay and let's proceed. So I've clicked on the account that I want the money to go into. So this is just like our analysis of our withdrawal. It is telling us that we're withdrawing $110 and they are going to charge us fee of 0.01 USDT. And just like I said, as at today's rates, $1 is equivalent to 1,379 naira 0.41 kobo, and this is the total amount we are going to be expecting into our local bank account, which is 151,721 naira 31 kobo. Okay, we are cool with this. What we're going to do is to click here that says initiate withdrawal. Oh yeah, let's initiate it. So I clicked on that. What we're going to do next is to click over here that says withdraw. Then we are going to type in our password for them to know that, okay, this person is the owner of this account and this person is the one initiating this withdrawal. So let's click on withdraw and type in our password. So I've done that, and they're trying to match us to a particular merchant that is going to be executing that transaction, or that is going to be sending that money to our local bank account. So let's wait for it for a little bit, and they are going to definitely match us. So boom, they've done that, and the person that will be sending the money is Jewel. Okay, so let's wait a little bit and wait while we receive the money. Oh yeah, let's go. Have you gotten to this point? I'm proud of you. Click the like button, join this family by clicking on that subscription button. Oh yeah, let's go there. Now they say the money has been sent to our local bank account. So once you get to this point, I'm going to advise you on something. Don't go and rush and conclude the transaction. I want you to go to your bank app, that particular bank accounts or bank details that you want them to send that money into. I want you to visit that your bank app, check to make sure, open that your bank app. I'm not talking about SMS alert. Go to that your bank app, open it and make sure that you received that money. So once you've confirmed that you've received the money, that is when you can proceed to finalize the transaction or the withdrawal from the MiniPay platform. So what I'm going to do is to do exactly as I said now by going or logging into my OP account to check if I received this money. So let's move over to my OP account, guys. So this is my OP account, and when you look over here, you will discover that we've received the money, and that is 151,721 naira. So I'm going to click on it to see the transaction properly. Let's go, guys. So I've clicked on it properly, and this is the details of the transaction: 151,721 naira, and this is the name of the person that sent in the money, Kellan Luxury. So let's move over to the platform and finalize the withdrawal, right? Yeah, let's go, guys. So what we're going to do is to click over here to leave a review. Now this review is not compulsory, it's optional, but anytime I'm done with withdrawal, I love giving the merchant a review. So if you are a merchant and you mess up my withdrawal, I'm going to give you a bad review, and I'm very sure you're not going to like that. So this merchant was so swift, so let's give this merchant a very good review. Okay, let's go, guys. So what I'm going to do is very simple. Click it. I said good because the withdrawal was good, and we're going to type was fast because obviously the withdrawal was fast. Let's move, guys. So I've clicked on good, and I've typed was fast. Okay, so let's submit the review and conclude the withdrawal. So I clicked on submit, and it said thank you for your review. Oh, you're welcome. So what I'm going to do next is to click over here to cancel this, to move over to my dashboard. Now this is my dashboard, and over here we are currently having $37.38, and looking over here you are going to see minus $110. So let's check how much this is going to be when it comes to our local currency. Let's switch. So I've switched, and we are currently having 51,209 naira. How painful, but we're going to make more money. Let's go, guys. If you're going to this one, click the like button. So we're going to switch over to USDT and call it a day. So I've switched over to USDT, and that is how you can easily and swiftly withdraw money from MiniPay platform down to your local bank account. Pass like this, guys. Pass like this. So click the like button in exchange of the value you got in today's video. Please join this awesome, beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Now, if you have been investing and your investment has been paying you around 12, 13, 14, 15, or even 16% per annum, then I have to tell you that you are doing it the wrong way. Now, I figured out a platform that is secured by SEC. SEC, I mean Security Exchange Commission, right? So you don't have to panic when you want to make use of this particular platform. And this particular platform, despite being secured by SEC, they are paying around 23% or more. 23%. How cool is that? So I wanted to tap into this opportunity by exploring it and make more money. The reason why I'm making all these videos is to show you updates on ways you can make money for yourself. Make money, my G. So I'm going to link the video towards the end of this video. Click on it and I'm going to show you step by step on how to get started with the platform and make enough goodie for yourself. So this is what I have for us in today's video. Click the like button, join this family by clicking on the subscription button, and turn on the bell notification, all the very important. Cheers, guys. Hey there, I'm glad you stick to the end of this video and I really appreciate it. Now, this simply means that you really want to do something about your finance, and you know what? I am rooting for you. Now, I made a video showing you how you can earn up to 23% on your investment. Maybe you've been investing and your investment has been paying you around 12, 13, 15, or even 16% per annum. But I brought out a platform that is secured by SEC that is capable of paying you up to 23%. So if this is what you want to know about, then I recommend you click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, and I will definitely see you on the other side. Keep winning. Yes, I beg, don't forget that. Keep winning and always have it at the back of your mind that Leo is rooting for you. And until when I'm going to see you on this video, bye, comrade.